क्या कॉलेज डिग्री necessary है to get a high paying job in computer field? In fact, the big company like Facebook, Google and Microsoft and many more companies hire people based on their skill set, not just degree. So in this video, I'm going to talk about more than 30 plus computer jobs you can start from 10 class, 12 class or as a dropout. Welcome back to Computer Professor G. Today video is a game changer for a student, career planner and anyone stuck thinking I need a computer degree to succeed in tech world. So in this video I'm going to talk about how can make a career in computer field with or without degree. So before I start, let's break it down into 3 levels for better understanding. Level 1 for entry level jobs before class 10 or 12. In these levels there is no need college degrees, just need certifications or short-term course like diplomas. So here are some beginner friendly jobs just like data entry operator, computer operator, MS Office assistants and IT support engineer and graphic designers, junior web designer, front-end developers, YouTube and video editor and Android and iOS application developer and content writer and web designer, backend developer, game developers, Python developers and Tally and accounting software expert, digital market executive, UI and UX developer, cybersecurity and many more. And now let's move to the level 2, high paying jobs after 12 class or diplomas or degrees. With a bit more learning or experience, you can get a very advanced high paying jobs. Just like some high paying job roles are here, just like software engineer, DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, cyber security engineer, data scientist, AI engineer, QA and test engineer, system and network engineer and database administrator and embedded system developers, Linux admin, site reliability engineer, IoT engineer and autonomous vehicle engineers. These roles can lead to 6-figure salaries. And now move to the level 3, future tech jobs roles. The next generation opportunity, definitely new technology, new career opportunity. These are booming now and will explode in the futures. Here are some future tech roles are here, just like AI prompt engineer, blockchain developers, AR, VR developers, ethical hacker and quantum computing assistants, and metaverse architect, automation system engineers, and AI ethics officer. These jobs did not even exist last 10 years. And some bonus point for you, the top leadership roles and founder roles in a tech. With the right mindset and skills, you can go even higher. Here are some roles you can target for high position, just like CTO job role, entrepreneur founder role, solution architect, principal engineer, technical program manager, product manager, scrum master and IT consultant. You are not limited by jobs, but you can build your companies, lead teams and create your own products. In conclusion, you don't need to learn everything. Just master in one skill or one role and go all in. Computer computer field is not about getting a job, but it can create more opportunity in many fields. Who knows, you could be the next Sundar Pichai or Satya. The future belongs to those who code. The future belongs to you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share this video with your friend, family or classmate. Thank you. See you in the next video.